Hello, today we're going to be doing another Simmons Insight tutorial. This time we'll be going over demographics. If you start at this page or if you've been doing other things, first we're going to go over and hover over Essentials, and then we're going to go down and click Quick Reports. And then you'll see this screen pop up. And what we're going to do today is the demographic profile. So to begin a demographic profile, we first have to choose some words or terms or our topic. I'm going to type in football, and we'll just do the first one here. Participated in fantasy football within the last 12 months. And there are different options that you can choose over here to the right. There is expand, which if the word was in red and we clicked expand, it would show the subterms underneath. There's base and there's target. Generally, if you want to just do a simple demographic profile, you'll hit target, and then you hit the arrow, and then it'll show you the demographic information for people from this base study. The one that it's defaulted to is the adult 6 months. This is the sample size and the percentage of how many people, because it is all of them within this study. And then the sample specifically of people who have participated in fantasy football within the last 12 months. So as you see, it's broken down by a lot of different things. Some general stats, ethnicity, education, income, gender, and as you'll notice, some of these things have a little asterisk by it. And if you look down here, it says 1 asterisk indicates a cell count that is from 31 to 60, so the projections may be unstable, and 2 asterisks indicate a cell count below 31, meaning that the projections are very likely to be unstable and that you should use it with caution. So in general, if you see something that has an asterisk or 2 asterisks by it, just be aware that the numbers for those are what went into it is that the sample size was so small that they couldn't get a good projection. Now, as you noticed, we used that for the target. So let's go back and put something in the base. So say that we're interested in people that have dogs or 1 dog. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to set it as our base, and then I'm going to run the profile again, and it's still clicked on demographic. So now we see that the sample size of people that had 1 dog within this study is 2,923. And then the people who have participated in fantasy football within the last 12 months, 192 of them own 1 dog. And this just breaks down the same kind of information I mentioned earlier. So in general, you don't necessarily have to choose a base, but if you're interested in a specific intersection of a type of person, it's good to use. If you have any questions about any of the information here, or about how it's weighted, or how the results were calculated, feel free to reach out to MU Libraries. Specifically, the Journalism Library has some people who would be highly informed and would be able to help you find that information. Thank you. I hope this was helpful.